show you how to export any form/project from one account to another. Specific functionality I really want to talk about is actually the generate pin, which you'll find under settings, and then it's all the way over here under generate pin. So essentially the way this functionality works is a bit like this. So right now, this is, let's say, my sandbox, all right? This is a different user. Now if I switch over to here, I've got another user, okay? And this is a completely different user available to me. So here it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send the export from here into the other account. So the way to send it from here into this one is simple. First, the one I'm sending it to needs to go into settings, and then click on generate pin. All right, so recap, settings, click on generate pin, and then this is your pin. All right, so I'm going to come back to this in a second, but once it's been generated to the account that you're sending it to, the one that you're sending it from, this is what you need to do. So let's say if I go to dashboard here, I'm going to create a new project. Let's say create like a Titan web, and we'll say, let's create ourselves some bike store. We'll call it bike store export. Let's go. Right, so this is now going to go ahead and create my project for me. And once the project is created, it's all good, it's good to go, and all looks pretty cool to me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and save it, and then I'm going to head over to my dashboard again. So remember, this is the account I'm sending it from. So all I would do is click export. Now I'll go over to my account which is receiving my export, copy the code, and then pop the code in here. If you have an existing one and you want to remove it, you just simply check remove and it will remove it and push this copy as a new one. So I'm going to click export, and now it's going to go ahead and do my export. Now if I go over to my dashboard here, into my account that has received it by using the pin, now if you go into the dashboard, my bike store export has been exported successfully. And you need to use the same methodology across all the different apps, whether it's survey, form, bot, whatever have you. Basically from one account to another. So just to recap, the account that you are sending it from, all you need to do is click the dots and go ahead and click on export. So let me recap and export. And once you export, we'll ask for the pin, and then the account you are sending it to needs to generate that pin. So I'll repeat, the account that you are sending it to, that's where you need to go ahead and generate the pin. And the way you do that is you go over to my account, dashboard, settings, and you click on generate pin. And that is it. That is all there is to it.